Guys, welcome back to Queenie's Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you a very amazing and wonderful recipe that I've tried and I found it to be really good. It did help me when I tried it for that one occasion. So sharing is caring, and so I'm going to share this recipe with you. So the recipe, guys, I'm doing today, it's a drink. So that's carrot and beetroot mixed together. Now this drink, guys, has amazing health benefits. Carrot is very good for our vision due to the carotene in it. Carrot mixed with beetroot, guys, are two nutritious and amazing vegetables that are responsible for increasing our blood flow and is very detoxifying, guys, to our body. And it also helps to lower our blood pressure. So I've did a bit of research on it, and you know, this is due to the many nutrients and antioxidants which you know is very good for your body. You know, and our body need it. It helps in anti-aging. So because the beetroot and the carrot contain all of these nutrients, it is very good for our body. Carrot, guys, as you know, is a rich source of vitamin A, C and K, which is also essential for mineral and fibers. But guys, on the other hand, beetroot is also low in fat. Did you know that? Although it's low in fat, guys, it's full of powerful, I'm telling you, very powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants is rich in vitamin C, and it helps in the absorption in the absorption of iron. And you know, sometimes when you're low in iron, it can cause anemia. So drinking beetroot and carrot mixed together, guys, will definitely help in this area. I'm going to just tell you a few of the other benefits that you can, you know, obtain from drinking this juice that we're going to do today. And yeah, one of them are secretion of toxin from the blood. So it takes away toxin from our blood, such as maybe, you know, smoking, like the aftermath of drinking and eating certain food. It secretes all of those toxins from our body, which I know that we all would like. It also improves our blood circulation. It improves digestion, guys, and it helps to reduce constipation. So, you know, if you love to eat a lot, this drink is very good for you because it will help you to digest your food better. And if for some reason you get constipated, this remedy will also help to loosen your bowels. It helps in a way of stimulating our metabolic digestive system. Because, you know, at the end of the day, yeah, what you eat has to come out, but sometimes it does take a while, and some people has to drink something or use something to, you know, go to the toilet. I do apologize if I use the word and offend anybody, but yeah, I'm just telling you as it is. And these are some really good benefit, and I really do hope that you will try it. Another one, guys, for you is it's very good for the eyesight, and as you know, this is because of the carrot. Carrot contains carotene, bitter carotene, and this is a substance that is used, guys, very, very, very often to produce vitamin A, which reduces the chance of us developing age-related problem. You know, that's eyesight. A lot of us, when you get to a certain age, you start, like, you know, when you're reading, you see doubles, or you start to see those little thing running across the line. It's because you didn't eat your carrot. So now you know, I hope you'll go ahead and eat your carrot. Now, carrots and, you know, beetroot, guys, is also good for our skin. And you know, summer is coming up. We all want that glowing, amazing skin. So you can start drinking it now, and hopefully it will work for you. And this is because of the vitamin C that it contains. It also helps to prevent pigmentation, and therefore, you know, your skin will be left glowing, beautiful skin tone, ready for the summer. So I really do hope that you will learn something from this. Go ahead and try it. For this recipe, I have here, guys, some carrots, We have ginger. We're going to use our lemon. And you know we have to use our beetroot. So I have gone ahead and pre-prepared some of the fruits already. So you can see I have here the carrot is already cut, and the beetroot. So now we're going to move on to step 2 by putting all of these ingredients together in one go into our mixer or a juicer, whichever one you have, it's quite okay. So guys, let's move on to step 2. Now first of all, I'm going to go in. We're going to mix everything together, right? So but I'm going to go in first with our carrots. So that's a cup of carrot, guys, and a cup of beetroot into our blender, or if you're using juicer, that's fine. Then I'm going to go in with a tablespoonful of my ginger. There you go. That's a tablespoonful, right, of my ginger. Then guys, I'm just going to go in with my lemon juice, and that will be 1 teaspoonful. I do apologize guys, 1 tablespoonful of lemon juice. Okay, you can add more lemon juice if you would like, and you can also add more ginger if you want to. It all depends on the amount of juice that you want to create from this process. So if you want more, then you know you're going to top up your ingredients. So instead of using a cup of carrot, you're going to use 2. Instead of using a tablespoonful of lemon, if you like lemon in taste, you go ahead and use 2. Okay, so just increase it as you go along if you need more mixture from the recipe. Okay, all right, so now I'm just going to go in with 2 cupfuls of water. So I've poured 1 in and another one in, and at this point I'm just going to cover my blender. Make sure it's secure guys, and it is sealed properly. And when you're sure that it is covered and sealed properly guys, then you can go in. You can go in and start your blending process, okay, or your juicing process. So guys, I'm finished blending. Yep, so I've gotten a nice full jug of mixture, and I'm just going to go ahead now and pour it out into a lovely glass, and I will come back and show it to you. But before I go guys, please do remember to subscribe, share, because as I always say to you, sharing is caring. Don't keep the knowledge that you know to yourself. Share it with someone else, because that's how we learn. Also, if you like my videos, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up. If you watch it and you don't thumbs it up, I'm not going to know if you like it or if you enjoy it. Send me a comment and let me know, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead now and pour my juice out. Can't wait to taste it. So guys, here we are. We have gotten to the point where we're now finished with our juice, and as you can see, I've gotten 2 glasses of juice from my full blender mix. So that's 1 and that's 2, and it was so quick, simple and easy guys, yet nutritious, full of fibers, vitamin C, K and A, antioxidant, and it has so much essential health benefits that I know, guys, and I believe if you try it, honestly, you will definitely obtain something for it. You yourself will benefit from it, because as I said to you, I've tried it for my menstruational problem, like my cramping, and it really did help me. It didn't take away the pain entirely, but it helped to reduce it. So, you know, it's recommended from me to you. So as I said earlier on, also go ahead and do your research if you're in doubt, but these are all natural ingredients, so you shouldn't be in doubt. So, you know, if you choose to, go ahead and do it. So guys, thanks for sticking with me this far if you have, and please remember to love every day of your life, because life is a journey. And as always, it's one love from Queen Lee's Kitchen. God bless. Until I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.